Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to download and install app in your iPhone or iPad. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, open App Store in your iPhone. As you can see, here is the profile icon. Type it. As you can see, there are some options. So for downloading app, you need an Apple ID account. If you have Apple ID account, simply you have to sign in here. If you don't have Apple ID account, you have to create new Apple ID from here. I will update the link in description. You can follow the link and create Apple ID. So I have created already. So now I'm gonna sign in my Apple ID. So now I'm gonna sign in my Apple ID. So as you can see, here is my Apple ID and password. So now type in sign in. So wait for a few seconds. As you can see, it's in process. So as you can see, my Apple ID has been signed in my iPhone App Store. So here, as you can see, there are a lot of apps. So here you can install app from here. If you want to search any specific app, so type on search, and here you have to search. As you can see, I want to install Skype app. So here is the Skype, type on get. So as you can see, it's asking for the Face ID. It will ask for the Face ID, password or Touch ID. So as you can see, app is installing. So you can see here my Skype app is installing. Wait for a few seconds. So as you can see, app has been installed successfully in my iPhone. If you have any problem, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.